Welcome to my channel Spanish X. This is your Spanish educator Krishna, and today I will teach you some food and drinks word in Spanish. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Without any delay, let's get started. Las comidas, it means food or meals. Next is pan. Pan means bread. Next one is huevo frito. Huevo means egg and frito means fried egg. Okay friends, so huevo frito, fried egg. Next is pan tostado. It means fried bread. Mermelada means jam. Next is queso. Queso means cheese. Next, sandwich, and sandwich means sandwich. Next is cereal. Next is mantequilla. It means butter. Mantequilla. Next is hamburguesa. It means hamburger. Hamburguesa. Ketchup. Ketchup means ketchup. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, it's look like sweet curd. Next is Bizcocho. It means biscuit. Next is pizza. Ensalada. It means salad. Next is tortitas. It's pancakes. Sopa. It means soup. Sal. Sal means salt. Spaghetti. It means spaghetti. I don't know what is this. Miel. Miel means honey. Donut. It means donut. Arena means flour. Next is yummy. Pasta. And pasta means pasta. Next one is huevos. It means eggs. Huevos. Next is burrito. Next is gazeta. Cookies. Next is patatas fritas. Chips or finger chips. Patatas fritas. Arroz. Arroz means rice. Next is kebab. It means kebab. Salsa. Sauce. That means sauce. Next one is palomitas de maíz. It means popcorn. Palomitas de maíz. Popcorn. Pastel. Cake. Helado. Ice cream. Chocolate. 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 Azúcar. It means sugar. Next is salchicha. Sausage. Next is pescado. Fish. Pavo. Next is caramelo, means toffee. Next is macaron. Las bebidas, it means drinks. Next agua, water. Next zumo, juice. Next leche, it means milk. Next is té, tea. Next cafe, coffee. Next cerveza, beer. Next, vino, wine. Thanks for watching my channel friends.